Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Discord link to TikTok bio. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord, select any server, click on invite. Here you need to click on share link and copy that link from here. Okay, then you need to go back and open TikTok and log in into your profile. After that, you simply need to click on edit profile, click on bio, and here you can add link like this. So let me click on save to show you. So now you can see that the link is added, but it will be clickable once I have the 1,000 followers. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.